Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Wolfman Walsh and the Infinite Enzo. Just doing a actual short video for us this evening. Where we're just going to do a quick pocket check and talk about things that are coming down the pipe.
Yeah, no, we got a lot of stuff coming.
We do actually. I'm looking forward to it.
Yes, I'm looking forward to catching up to the things that I need to do as well.
Well, I was thinking about that. I said, I've got one video that's completely shot.
Yep.
I just need to edit it and post it.
I've got one that's completely shot. I've got 2 knives I need to mod that are ready to mod. But yeah, so we're going to get to that. So do you want to kick off pocket check?
I'll kick off pocket check, and I'm going to kick off one other thing. Can you hear me now?
Can you hear that?
Hey, that's right.
I used some Amazon money at Prime Day and bought us something to where hopefully you can hear us a little better.
Yes,
now.
old Walsh, he did some internet research.
Oh my God!
I know you love that word.
I hate that word.
But no, now we've got pretty sweet audio set up. So let us know what you think. If it sounds, well, it should definitely sound better than our previous stuff. But hope you guys like it.
I know I'm quiet. I'm soft-spoken in general.
And then I tend to blow the mic out. So
it should be fine. It should be fine. But who was going first, me or you?
I don't know. You want to go?
Well,
let's have you lead off.
Okay. Like I said, we could flip for it because of course I've always got a coin on me. I've got my my Indian head coin.
Very nice.
I'm not actually going to flip it because people are supposedly sleeping and this can be pretty loud. So that's my coin.
Nice.
My main carry today is the Vox Core.
Wonderful choice.
Wonderful choice with my Lynch Northwest feather pocket clip.
Nice.
Great addition. And then my secondary carry is my Rough Rider.
Man, this is a lineup. I'm a fan of this lineup.
So
very nice.
That's my carry today.
Okay.
And Schwarzkopfing.
Yeah,
Schwarzkopfing. I'm not Schwarzkopfing, but I've got, of course, the watch and the.
Hey, why are your hands so freakishly big?
The wolf bracelets.
Very nice, very nice.
What do you got?
All right, knives first, as it should be. I've got the Tucson TS232, and it never occurred to me until recently somebody pointed out in the video on this that it looks like a Barlow. And I'm like, yeah, it does.
It does.
It's basically a modern Barlow interpretation. You got your bare end here, and you got your bolster here, and you got kind of a funky spear point going on there.
Good call.
Yeah, so there's that. And in the spirit of Barlows, I recently found a knife that I thought I had lost. The Rough Rider Reserve Barlow.
So glad you found it.
Me too. It's a wonderful knife. So this was in micarta, of course. D2 blade steel. Yeah, just excellent Barlow, man. So I was Barlow themed today.
Yeah.
No coin today because I haven't gotten. I've been in Mexico and I just got back and I keep forgetting to carry coin. I am Schwarzkopfing. Got the Apple Watch, the wrist computer, and I've got a really cool. Let's see if I can hold it up to the camera. This is a recent thing, and I got an amazing deal on it. This is a 90s Seawolf. You don't see them super often, but when you do, they're very cheap.
I'm going to take a picture of this so you all can actually see it.
Yeah, they're quartz, and this was during a time that Zodiac was owned by the same person that used to own Tag Heuer.
Oh, yeah.
And Tag Heuer was somewhat known for these funky...
You mean it's not Tag Heuer?
I'm sorry, what's going on? Dude, come on, French it up.
It could be, I don't know. I always say Heuer. But they're known for these funky dials. Sometimes they do these granite dials.
Yeah, no, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty weird. I don't know if it's a granite dial technically or if it's a tropical dial, but whatever. I'm digging it. So that's the watch. And I think besides the other usual stuff, I think that's about it. Oh yeah, the flashlight, all that. We don't need to get into that.
Oh, yeah.
But that's about it for me.
Well, and I guess the largest thing that I carried into your house.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This about made my night right there, man.
This is still from our trip back in January for his birthday up to Heaven Hill.
Yeah.
Great trip. And I have been babying this bottle so much. I don't want it to end.
I made the mistake of burning through my bottle.
It's not a mistake.
It's right. It's not a mistake. I don't regret it because it was every ounce was delicious. But I do miss it. So I was very stoked that he was feeling like we need to have a sip here.
Cheers, yeah.
Oh man, so good.
I mean, it did.
That's divine.
especially after my redemption video and this being
Yeah.
the 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Boom.
Good call. Good call.
Well, so I started off with the pocket check.
Yes.
Why don't you start us off with what videos you've got coming next?
Let's see here. I have a video coming. I think I mentioned this previously on the Formax Scout that I recently modded. Y'all may have seen it on Instagram. Turned out really cool.
Turned out awesome.
So I've got a kind of a scatter shot video on that's coming. It'll make more sense when it's all edited together. We also have set the wheels turning on our 1,000 sub giveaway, which Walsh has been very instrumental in getting that moving, and so now I need to do my side of it.
We're close.
We're very close. It won't take me long to do it. I just need to set aside the time and do it. That's another one. And also, so yeah, as I mentioned earlier, I was in Mexico and I did some scuba diving while I was there. I don't have a watch on me that I was wearing, but I did wear, intentionally tested a Squall 1521, which y'all may have seen me talk about. It's one of my favorite watches. And a Certina that is significantly cheaper than the Squall, but did it perform better? Did it perform worse? You got to watch the video. So tune in for that. Both of them were awesome though. I like them both for different reasons, but we'll get into it. It's pretty interesting. But yeah, it was an awesome dive in the Cenote, in Mexico, which is like basically kind of a water-filled cavern system. It was really cool. So yeah, I got that coming. What about you?
Well, we kind of discussed that earlier. I've got one video that's completely shot, a modding video that's completely shot. I just got to edit it and throw it up there for you. I've got an unboxing video of a new knife, and then I've got another modding video. So I haven't started it, but I know what I'm going to do with it, and so I just need time.
Nice. Well, hey, I got to throw a kink in your plans here.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
Uh-oh, you're gonna have to unbox something right now.
What is this?
so while I was out of town, Walsh took care of my 2 crazy ass effing dogs. And
What is this?
Oh my god! Wow!
one of them is insane, and you gotta let the people see it.
I got to see it first.
One of them is insane. Anyway, long story short,
You get to see this part. There you go.
Long story short, Walsh would come in, and a few times this happened where he'd come in and there'd be dog caca all over the place.
Oh, man.
And he took care of it. It was just, anyway, he's, took care of my dogs. Very kind of you to do that. So I wanted to get him something as a thank you.
Well, this is a hell of a thank you. I don't have any nails right now. I never have any. Oh, look at the size of that Skinner blade.
Yeah, so I was trying to remember. I felt like you were more into this one than the Kelly Green one, right?
Yeah, there was this one, and then this This is a traditional. This is not my forte. This is my forte. So there was this one, and there was I don't know if they call it stag or.
Oh, the bone stag.
Bone stag.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's real bone. I don't know.
Now, see, what I was trying to recall is you planned on using it, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's why I was leaning to that one, just because it's made to be. It's a working finish.
Yeah.
And you've got that jimping up there too, which is nice. The bone stag one didn't have that.
Right.
And it had the high polish collector finish.
Right.
Which again, you can use a collector knife from Case. They're made to use, but they are also polished to a point that they're display almost. I don't do that personally. I carry mine, but yeah, it's a beefy knife.
Well, this is a hell of a surprise. I was not expecting.
Yeah, just wanted as a thank you, and also,
Well,
plus you always show up with another bottle of bourbon that you're like, oh, just keep it. And then I'm like, oh man, like that Eagle Rare, good grief. So yeah, just consider it payback.
Have you played with it yet?
A little bit.
Okay.
So what I did was I noticed the action. Everything on it's really nice, except the action's a little gritty. So I tried to oil it out, but it's still persistent.
Yeah, right there. It's just a little tight. It'll wear out.
It should wear out, yeah. And everything on it was so good that I was like, you know what? The gritty action to me is forgivable. Everything else is really nice.
Did you get this in?
Yeah.
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 It was a different dude working there today too. So we're talking about Tennessee Cutlery. That is a local knife store that's very close to us, actually closer than Smoky Mountain Knife Works. And I love them just as much, man. It's a great team over there. And
They actually know knives. Sorry, SMK.
No, I was they know their stuff. They're all enthusiasts. And they also, by the way, if you've heard of the website Deadwood Knives, that's actually their website.
Awesome.
So they're known on the internet by a few different names. But Tennessee Cutlery, yeah, they're fantastic.
Okay, I have now 3 knives that I'm taking hunting this year, this fall. Gosh, which is only like 2 months away. Daggum. Hell yeah. Thank you, sir.
Absolutely, man. Thank you for taking care of Clyde's dumbass.
He's a good dog.
He's a good dog. He's a good dog.
I had to talk to him like a teenager the whole time.
He's a good dog, but
was-
he is a stupid dog.
He
But
was
I love him.
hysterical.
I do love him.
Okay, well, I guess I'll have another full review unboxing of this, or at least a 3-month follow-up. Yeah, well, I'll do a 3-month follow-up.
Okay, sounds good.
Oh crap! I've got a 3-month follow-up video as well
Yep.
to my Kaiser Small Hunter.
Oh yeah.
I've got 5 videos coming. So, but dude, no, I'm looking forward to your dive videos.
I'm looking forward to editing them. So we shot with an iPhone. It's my dad's iPhone. I don't know which one he has. It's the latest one, and he has a crazy underwater housing for it. So we got some excellent footage, and he basically had it recording the whole time. There's 2 dives, and it's pretty. If I have some photos, I'll drop them in now. But it's pretty mind-blowing dive. So yeah, I think you guys will enjoy it, and it'll be fun for me to talk about dive watches in use rather than just like on the table in front of me. So that'll be cool. Yeah, so looking forward to it. It's going to be a minute probably because we have so much footage and I have to edit all of it down. But yeah, same vein as like mine and Walsh's Devil's Cave trip. Just that kind of vibe. So yeah, it'll be good.
Good vibes.
Yeah. No, yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah. Gosh, when he posted pictures to Facebook while he was down there.
I'll throw them up here. Yeah.
And yeah, you were like, I'm making a video out of this for my watches. I was like, yes.
100%.
I
I told my dad going in, I was like, "You're recording, right?" He was, "Oh yeah." I'm like, "Great, I'm going to use that on the YouTube channel." So yeah, it's going to be good, guys. It's going to be a fun one. All right, folks. Thank you guys for joining. Keep an eye on the stuff we got coming. We'll see you in the next one.
Take care.
Take care. Bye, guys.